So, I'm having a good day today. I think I passed my class. My teacher was like, I like your work, good job. And I'm all happy inside and excited. I really don't know what to do right now because first time I started class, I was like, I don't know if I can do this, and now I passed the class. It's like I accomplished my goals. I'm so excited right now. I don't know what to do. I feel like going party. Me and this vlog thing, I'm trying to vlog. Don't have it against me. Yeah, and my English have a deep accent. I'm sorry. But yeah, I am from Jamaica. So please bear with me. I'm not good with grammar at all, so I will mess up my words. So please don't hate me and blow up my comments. Blow me up in the comment section. But I will read you guys' comments. I'm not good at storytelling. That's something I really need to get good at. I'm watching a lot of videos of how to do storytelling. Storytelling is not easy like everyone says. Storytelling is a lot difficult. But I got to say, I love taking photos and I love video. That's something I want to get good at. But like I said, storytelling is really hard. I would have to learn how to edit. I'm in the process of learning to edit right now. And storytelling, I'm in the process of learning storytelling. Yeah, and I got to say, storytelling process is extremely hard. Yeah, for me, I find it easier to walk and station the camera in certain areas. If you're scared and you don't want people to see you that much, position the camera in certain areas that you don't have a lot of people traffic in your vlog, so you can be at ease. But everyone is seeing you with a camera in your hand vlogging, and hopefully it works out. And that guy was laughing at me just now. But yeah, this is what you have to go through. It's like, if you want to get better at vlogging, you're gonna have to do this. And it's my first time. Vlogging in public. Smiling with myself right now. Trying to do this. Yeah. When I first started, I didn't think I could have come in public and vlog. But right now, I am in public. But right now I'm in school. There's a lot of people around me, surrounded me, walking past me, walking behind me. I don't know everyone here. So a lot of people like looking at me vlogging. It takes a lot of courage to vlog. You're gonna have to deal with it, like I said. Just keep it small. If you don't want to do it too much in public, just have your camera in certain areas will not that populated, so you can record your video, and just keep it small. You're gonna get people like laughing at you and stuff like that. There's nothing you can do about it. People are gonna pass you and come into your shot. There's nothing you can really do about that. Record and see how it ends up. Be yourself. Just be yourself. Like I am trying to be myself. My videos aren't that great, but I'm learning. That's what I think counts, to be honest. So I'm trying to do this Instagram thing that you can upload. So I'm trying to do this Instagram thing that I can upload pictures on my Instagram feed without I actually post things by myself. So this app called Later post pictures on the Instagram by scheduling it like at least one time a week, so you can do other stuff, so it can be free. So I can post a lot of photos without actually posting on Instagram through this app. I said it right. I said it right. You're not even listening to me. She's not even listening to me right now. Man, I'm starving right now. Today was a good day, I guess. I passed my class, so starting in January, my next semester starts. New class. 3D modeling again with one of my favorite teacher, Alex. I heard that class is really hard, so I'm not gonna stress it for now. But for now, I'm gonna just have fun and call it a day.